All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So got some new headphones in. I appreciate Gravastar sending these over. This has got to be one of the best boxes I've ever seen in a presentation for a product. I mean, things get out of hand sometimes, but this is actually very eclectic. It's like a special briefcase just for the headphones themselves. And this is just on point. So it does have the information on the back right here to show you exactly what you're getting. 2 dynamic drivers on there. So that's going to be really nice. Battery life and should be pretty good. 4 hours, it says, on a single charge. 16 hours with the charging case. I'm surprised I can read that with my bifocal sitting so far away. Dual microphone setup here for noise reduction. And you've got the dimensions there and wireless transmission, all that stuff. So I took the initial plastic off, but then I noticed there was more plastic right here. So let me get the knife here. I will cut these open and give you somewhat of a impressions video. And like all things, I'll have to use these for a week or two to really give you a feel for them. But just alone, this presentation screams premium. I mean, seriously. So this box isn't so much just, it's like a hard cardboard. So that's actually pretty nice. Let's see how it opens up here. Oh, slides out. Here we go. Like that. Then you got your manuals. And look at that presentation. Just did my matrix, so I wanted to get that all read. I know everything about these now. So you got your charging cable down here, a nice presentation for the buds, tips, and everything. And then you've got the syncing cable. It looks like this is probably just a bag or something. Yeah, it's a carrying bag. Oh no, it looks like, what is this? Thought it was a carrying bag. Oh, get out, look at this. The metal chain here that you can actually use to wear these, man. This is crazy. That's pretty sick, folks. They went all in. Sounds good. Okay, so I'm gonna get this put aside here and let's get the earbuds out. What a presentation, folks. That is impressive, to say the least. This is extremely impressive. Now, these are metal earbuds cases right here. This is actually pretty cool. So you press this button here and it'll pop out like that. That is eclectic, man. It's like a spring-loaded. Man, this is crazy. Unless you know, it flashes right there to let you know that it's gonna have some kind of power or something on it. But wow, this has got to be very, very impressive. Whew. If you're not impressed with this, just this look all on its own right here, something's wrong. So just looking around the case here, you've got the Type-C on the bottom. That's a button there, so you can charge and start them in pairing mode. And then you've got this quick release button right here. It's got all kind of designs on it. It's got the Gravastar logos on there. Like, you see that? That's crazy. That is impressive. And Gravastar, you know, they are known for doing things like this. So again, you have the quick release, and with the quick release, you see these are being held in right here by these bars right here. So it's not just some kind of special trick or something like that to get you to just say, ooh, but it actually is functional, it appears, because this bar here is got rubber grip on there for protection. Wow, that is crazy. And then you get the buds coming out like so. So as you can see here, we'll sit that there. Let's sit it down like that. It looks very nice. We'll go ahead and take these blue tabs off because this is what gives you the ability to charge them so they don't die on you. They basically ship them this way so you have enough on here just to be able to charge them, to pair them when you first get them. So taking a look at the earbuds here, you can see this is probably like a medium-sized tip. You look along this side of the earbud here, you've got some nice branding right there. They're going to let you know that these are their earbuds, that is for sure. And you come along this side right here, you got the Gravastar logo. You got another microphone down there. There's a little hidden microphone up top there too. And you got microphone down there. So let's put these in the case and let's see if I can get them paired up properly. And I'll hit the button. Let me get my phone here. Let's see here. We're gonna get these for. I'm gonna try to go ahead and do this real time for you so I don't miss a beat. Let's see here. Should start to see it flash. There we go. All right, let's see. There they are. Take them out of the case, push the button, and you're paired up. Yes, I want a pair. And they are paired. Wow, battery is at 10%. Wow, it already started up. Whoa, beautiful. Hold on. Okay, let's get in here. That music came on that I definitely wasn't trying to listen to. I can tell you, wow, these sound really good. Oh boy. Okay, let's turn this off. Now, this is simply just a first impressions of these. The battery's at 10%, but I wanted to go ahead and get this video out to you to let you know that these are in the house, man. This is probably got to be one of the most eclectic cases I've ever freaking used. That's incredible. And then you have the chain here, so you can put the earbuds on to wear them safely around your neck or whatever. That's actually pretty good. I'll never do that, but again, the headphones themselves are very nice. I am impressed so far. So again, I know it's just my first impressions, but I had to be brief. I had to get these on the channel for you with an upload so you can see that they're actually here. So when I pop up on you later, you're gonna be like, Jay, where'd those come from? Well, this is where they came. This is where they came from. I'm gonna get these charged up, and I will have to follow up on these. I'm gonna go ahead and leave these paired with my S23 Ultra, and I will use these instead of anything else. These are extremely impressive, to say the least, man. They look really good, and just a real quick first impressions in the ear field, like the way they feel in the ear, they're great. They feel really good. I can go with that medium tip that's on there, and I think I should be okay. So they're actually labeled left and right on the top of the bar there. I mean, they went all out with these, man. This is like a canister type case, the way it's trying to make it look. You got lots of grip along the sides and everything, but wow, Gravastar has done their thing once again. I appreciate them sending these over, and I will in fact get a follow-up on these because I'm getting ready to use these. I'm going to charge them to 100, and then I'll get these a follow-up video going for you guys in the next week or two. So first impressions down. I'm impressed with the comfort and feel. Definitely impressed with the sound so far. In the case, if you drop these, they're going to survive. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed first impressions of these Gravastar Sirius Pros. These are nice.